From smart cooking tools to time-saving kitchen upgrades, these Amazon finds are designed to make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're prepping meals faster, cooking healthier dishes, or adding convenience to your routine, each product brings a practical twist to your kitchen. Let's explore them all. All products links in the description section below. For busy mornings or when you want cafe-style drinks at home, an espresso maker like this makes the process quick and effortless. With one-touch brewing and a built-in milk frother, you can enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, or iced coffee without much hassle. It's a great way to upgrade your daily routine and save trips to the cafe. One thing to keep in mind is it uses specific capsules, which can add ongoing cost over time. Still, for convenience and consistency, it's a solid option worth considering. In a kitchen where dull knives can slow everything down, an electric knife sharpener like this helps bring them back to life with minimal effort. It makes everyday chopping smoother, safer, and more precise, whether you're prepping vegetables or slicing meat. The guided system also takes the guesswork out of sharpening, which is great for beginners. One thing to note is it's not suitable for serrated knives, so you'll still need another option for those. Still, for maintaining your regular blades, it's a practical tool worth having nearby. For small spaces or quick, no-fuss meals, an electric hotpot like this can be surprisingly versatile. You can cook noodles, sauté simple dishes, or make soups all in one compact setup, which is perfect for dorms, offices, or travel. It keeps things convenient without needing a full kitchen. One thing to keep in mind is the size and power may feel limiting for larger meals or more complex cooking. Still, for simple, everyday use, it's a handy option that makes cooking feel more accessible wherever you are. In a busy kitchen or bathroom, a touchless soap dispenser like this adds a bit of convenience and cleanliness to your daily routine. The motion sensor makes hand washing quicker and more hygienic, especially when your hands are messy from cooking. It also helps reduce clutter with its sleek, modern look. One thing to keep in mind is it works best with standard liquid soaps and may clog with thicker formulas. Still, for a simple upgrade that improves everyday use, it's a smart addition worth considering. When you want perfectly cooked meals without second-guessing, a meat thermometer like this makes a real difference. It gives quick, accurate readings and even announces the temperature, which can be especially helpful when multitasking or grilling outdoors. It takes the guesswork out of cooking meats, helping you get better results with less stress. One thing to keep in mind is it requires careful cleaning and isn't dishwasher safe, which adds a small extra step. Still, for more confidence in your cooking, it's a tool worth having nearby. When you're handling larger meal prep or multiple ingredients at once, an electric food chopper like this can really speed things up. It handles everything from veggies to meat quickly, helping you keep your cooking flow smooth and efficient. The dual bowls are especially useful for separating ingredients without mixing flavors. One thing to keep in mind is you'll need to give it short breaks during heavy use to avoid overheating. Still, for faster prep and versatility, it's a practical tool that can make cooking feel a lot easier. For anyone who likes keeping things simple in the kitchen, an immersion hand blender like this brings a lot of flexibility in one compact tool. You can blend soups, whip cream, or make smoothies right in the same container, which cuts down on extra dishes and cleanup. The multiple attachments also make it useful for different tasks without needing separate gadgets. One thing to keep in mind is the motor unit can't be submerged, so cleaning requires a bit of care. Still, for everyday convenience, it's a versatile tool worth having. In a kitchen where simple tasks should stay simple, a manual can opener like this keeps things reliable and easy. The smooth edge design makes opening cans safer, while the ergonomic grip helps reduce strain during use. It's a practical tool you'll likely reach for often, whether cooking quick meals or prepping ingredients. One thing to note is it requires manual effort, which may not be ideal for everyone. Still, for durability and everyday convenience, it's a dependable addition that gets the job done without fuss. For quick smoothies or on-the-go drinks, a personal blender like this keeps things simple and convenient. It's compact enough for small spaces and makes it easy to blend fruits, ice, or light ingredients in seconds, whether you're at home or in a rush. The one-touch operation helps keep your routine smooth and hassle-free. One thing to note is it needs to be plugged into work, so it's not fully portable. Still, for quick daily use, it's a handy option that fits easily into your routine. For a more comfortable and steady mealtime experience, weighted utensils like these can make a noticeable difference. They're designed to provide better control and stability, helping reduce spills and making eating feel more manageable and less frustrating. The familiar look also keeps things feeling natural at the table, whether at home or dining out. One thing to keep in mind is they're slightly heavier than standard utensils, which may take a little getting used to. Still, for added support and confidence during meals, they're a thoughtful option worth considering. For quick and efficient meal prep, a vegetable chopper like this can make a noticeable difference in your routine. It helps you dice fruits and vegetables in seconds, keeping your cooking process faster and more organized with less mess. The built-in container also keeps everything contained and easy to manage. One thing to keep in mind is the blades are very sharp, so handling and cleaning require a bit of care. Still, for saving time and effort in the kitchen, it's a tool you'll likely reach for often. For family meals or batch cooking, a stock pot like this adds both capacity and versatility to your kitchen. It handles everything from soups and pasta to frying with the included basket, making cooking more efficient and less cluttered. The built-in strainer lid is especially useful for quick draining without extra tools. One thing to keep in mind is its larger size can take up more storage space when not in use. Still, for cooking bigger portions with ease, it's a practical piece worth adding to your setup. For anyone looking to add more fresh juices to their routine, a juicer like this makes the process simple and efficient. The wide feed chute saves time on prep, while the slow extraction helps preserve flavor and nutrients for a smoother, richer taste. It fits well into a health-focused lifestyle without feeling complicated. One thing to keep in mind is it can take a bit of time to clean after use, especially with fibrous ingredients. Still, for fresher drinks at home, it's a solid addition worth trying. When you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen, a digital timer like this helps keep everything on track without the guesswork. The simple twist control and clear display make it easy to set and monitor, whether you're baking, cooking, or even studying nearby. It's one of those small tools that quietly improves your routine. One thing to keep in mind is you'll need to wake the screen after it goes into power-saving mode. Still, for staying organized and avoiding overcooking, it's a handy addition worth keeping close. For anyone who enjoys tea or coffee with a bit more precision, an electric kettle like this adds both speed and control to your routine. The preset temperatures help you get the best flavor from different drinks, while the Keep Warm feature is perfect for relaxed mornings or multiple cups. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in daily use. One thing to keep in mind is it's priced higher than basic kettles, which might not suit every budget. Still, for convenience and consistency, it's a worthwhile addition to consider. For a more flexible cooking setup without filling your counter with multiple appliances, an air fryer toaster oven like this brings everything into one place. You can bake, toast, roast, or air fry with less oil, making everyday meals quicker and a bit healthier. The larger capacity also works well for family portions or batch cooking. One thing to keep in mind is it can take up more counter space compared to smaller gadgets. Still, for versatility and convenience, it's a solid upgrade that can simplify your kitchen routine. For anyone trying to keep food fresh longer and cut down on waste, a vacuum sealer like this can be a real game changer. It helps preserve flavor, texture, and nutrients while making meal prep and storage more organized. The one-touch operation keeps things simple, even on busy days. One thing to keep in mind is you'll need compatible bags, which can add to long-term use costs. Still, for extending freshness and simplifying storage, it's a smart tool that's definitely worth trying. For simple, reliable meals without constant checking, a rice cooker like this keeps things effortless. With one-touch cooking and an automatic keep warm feature, it fits perfectly into busy routines while still delivering consistent results. The added steaming option also makes it easy to prepare complete meals in one go. One thing to keep in mind is the smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger families or big gatherings. Still, for everyday convenience and quick meals, it's a practical kitchen companion worth considering. For a cleaner and more controlled cooking setup, an olive oil dispenser like this adds both style and function to your kitchen. It helps you pour just the right amount without spills, while the opaque design keeps your oil fresher for longer. It's a small upgrade that makes everyday cooking feel a bit more organized. One thing to keep in mind is the ceramic build, while sturdy, can still break if dropped. Still, for better control and presentation, it's a simple addition worth having on your counter. For flexible cooking without relying on a full stove, an induction cooktop like this brings speed and control to your setup. It heats quickly, adjusts temperature precisely, and works great for small kitchens, dorms, or extra cooking space when needed. The sleek design also makes cleanup simple after meals. One thing to keep in mind is it requires compatible magnetic cookware to function properly. Still, for efficient and modern cooking convenience, it's a smart option that's definitely worth trying. Which of these kitchen gadgets would you actually add to your own setup first, and which one surprised you the most? Remember to subscribe for more amazing kitchen, home, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.